Progressive Universal Society is a social service organization. What we are trying to do is to bring all-round change, all-round progress in the sections of the society which is normally neglected. So Progressive Universal Society is wherever going to establish any project, the aim is going to be to adopt the local area completely. At one juncture, the idea was that why not implement something which is a complete holistic in nature. My spiritual master has always emphasized the idea of bringing a nuclear change, not just superficial top level change, rather bring a change which is from the grassroots.
He is the source of giving us or guiding us on this path to bring the revolution in the individuals. He taught us, go and give the confidence to people. You are not insignificant. Go inside yourself and understand your power, understand yourself, who you are, understand the purpose of coming in this world.
Once he said, I remember, that this society is bleeding. This society is now divided in the name of religion, caste, race. He said that you have to bring this society as like one cosmic family.
So the inspiration behind Progressive Universal Society project was to take these ideas from my spiritual master and implement that in the real world, which is true, complete, touches every aspects of life of the people.
Besides our personal progress, we also need to create positive environment in the society so that everyone can progress.
We are moving ahead with those ideas and hoping that more and more people will join us, more and more people will understand.
If you want to change the society, you need to do something very, very great, something very on large scale, which can have impact on this whole planet, not only one society I am talking about. On this whole planet, you can have some unique project, you can show the society that that's what society is supposed to live.